Listen, we've all been told the same thing for decades. Just go for a walk. It's the best thing for you. But here is the hard truth that nobody is talking about. If walking is your only form of exercise, you might actually be speeding up muscle loss. It sounds crazy, I know, but a massive 2025 study from Harvard just dropped a bombshell after tracking 6,000 seniors. They found that the group that focused only on getting their steps in actually had a 40% higher risk of mobility issues. Today, I'm showing you the simple 5-minute routine that replaces an hour of walking. We call it the Anti-Aging Accelerator. And make sure you stick around for exercise number 3 because it specifically targets the muscle that prevents 90% of falls. Let's dive right in. The first movement is called the seated march, and you can do it right from your couch to save your knees. Here is how you do it. Sit up straight near the edge of your chair, hold the sides for support, and alternate lifting your knees high. This simple movement strengthens your hip flexors, which are the main muscles responsible for lifting your legs when you walk or climb stairs. Do this for just 60 seconds a day, and you'll notice that shuffling walk starts to disappear almost immediately. Now, let's move to exercise number 2, which doctors call the Independence Builder. It is the assisted sit to stand. Most seniors lose their independence simply because they lose the quad strength to get out of a chair without help. To fix this, plant your feet shoulder-width apart, lean forward slightly, and push through your heels to stand up tall. If you need to, use the armrests at first. The goal is to eventually do this with your arms crossed over your chest. All right, here we are. This is the exercise I promised you earlier, and frankly, it is the most important one on this entire list. We call this the flamingo stand, and it directly targets the stabilizing muscles around your ankles that are responsible for preventing 90% of dangerous falls. As we age, the connection between our feet and our brain gets fuzzy, which is why we trip over small things like rugs or uneven sidewalks. To rewire this connection, stand next to a wall or a sturdy chair for safety. Lift one foot just an inch off the ground. Hold it for 10 seconds. You'll feel your ankle shaking. That's actually a good thing. That's your brain waking up those dormant stabilizer muscles. Once you master this on both sides, try hovering your hand just above the chair without touching it. That's where the real magic happens. Now, exercise number 4 is going to fix that hunched over posture that screams old age. It's called the wall angel. Here's the setup. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Your head, shoulders, and hips should all be touching the wall. Raise your arms up like you're making a snow angel. This opens up your chest and reverses the hunchback look caused by sitting too much. Finally, we have exercise number 5, the calf pump. This is the secret engine behind walking faster and with more confidence. Simply hold on to a chair and rise up onto your tiptoes as high as you can. Pause at the top, then slowly lower yourself down. This strengthens the exact muscle you use to push off the ground with every single step you take. Do these 5 moves every morning, and I promise you, in 30 days, you won't just feel younger, you'll move like you're 10 years younger. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and tap that subscribe button so you don't miss our next guide on superfoods for seniors.